Partners. Section 5. Any individual or body corporate may be partner in LLP. Following persons can become partner in LLP. Individuals, resident Indians including non-resident Indians and overseas citizen of India, as well as foreign nationals. LLP, company, foreign LLP, foreign company. Note: foreign direct investment compliances are needed for foreign nationals, foreign companies, foreign LLP, and it is not needed for NRI, OCI, if investment by them is made on non-repatriation basis. However, an individual shall not be capable if he is found to be of sound mind by a court of competent jurisdiction and the finding is in force. He is an undischarged insolvent or he has applied to be adjudicated as an insolvent and his application is pending. If at any time the number of partners of an LLP is reduced below 2 and the LLP carries on business for more than 6 months, कितने के लिए 6 months से ज़्यादा, then that person shall be liable personally for the obligation. Obligation के लिए वो खुद से liable होता है of the LLP incurred during that period. Advantages of LLP firm: operates on the basis of an agreement, provides flexibility provide करता without imposing legal requirements imposing के बिना, easy to form, easy होता है फॉर्म करने में, लिमिटेड लाइबिलिटी ऑफ पार्टनरशिप, ये तो है पता ही आप सबको, फ्लेक्सिबल होता है कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर इसका, easy to dissolve होता है, डिसॉल्व इजी होता है. डेजिग्नेटेड पार्टनर्स. सेक्शन 7. एटलीस्ट 2 डेजिग्नेटेड पार्टनर्स रहना चाहिए. क्राइटेरिया क्या होते हैं? दे शुड बी इंडिविजुअल एंड एटलीस्ट वन ऑफ देम शैल बी रेसिडेंट इन इंडिया. एक को रेसिडेंट इन इंडिया होना चाहिए. नोट: रेसिडेंट मीन्स ए पर्सन हु स्टेड नॉट लेस देन 120 days इन इंडिया.